Let's talk about how to pray Taraweeh properly. Step by step. Taraweeh is a special night prayer prayed during Ramadan after Isha. It's a sunnah prayer, which means it's highly recommended and full of reward. Here's how to do it the right way. Step 1. Pray Isha first. You must pray your obligatory Isha prayer before praying Taraweeh. Taraweeh comes after Isha and before Witr. Step 2. Make your intention, niyyah. You don't need to say it out loud. Just have the intention in your heart that you're praying Taraweeh for the sake of Allah. Step 3. Pray in sets of 2 rak'ahs. The Prophet, peace be upon him, prayed night prayer in units of 2 rak'ahs at a time. Pray 2 rak'ahs. Say salam, pray another 2 and repeat. Most mosques pray 8 or 20 rak'ahs. Both are acceptable. You can pray as many as you are able. Step 4. Recite slowly and calmly. Take your time. Taraweeh is not a race. Recite what you know from the Quran. If you don't know much, even short surahs are perfectly fine. The goal is connection, not speed. Step 5. Pray Witr at the end. Taraweeh ends with Witr prayer. If you're praying in the mosque, the imam will usually lead Witr. If you're at home, pray 1 or 3 rak'ahs of Witr to close your night prayer. Bonus tips. You can pray Taraweeh at home or in the mosque. It's okay to hold a mushaf if you need to read. If you get tired, you can sit. Consistency is better than exhausting yourself. Closing. Taraweeh isn't about perfection. It's about showing up for Allah every night of Ramadan. May Allah accept our prayers. Ameen.